Good evening, everybody. I'm Robert, the Daily Trader. It is October 6th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So the VIX is up 1.97. That's quite high, 6.9%, closed at 30.52. I am the one to break that news to you. We are back into this upward support. So we came back outside of it yesterday. This was pretty much, the second or first time we had been out of it, if we count this one as the first one. But now we are back into it. We are just back into it. So, volatility is coming back up. Let's go see in terms of the effects that it had today. So Dow Jones, which is within two big downward channels, is caving in a little bit here. So we had 3 days with green candles, but now since we are getting close to this downward resistance, Dow Jones is very shy and it does not want to cross them. We don't have stochastic over 60, so far we are not crossing the resistance at all. In terms of S&P 500, we had crossed it during the day. We crossed it during the day today also, but now we came back down. So S&P is respecting the resistance. The resistance is not futile, it is real and it is strong. So I'm still looking at 37.19 to indicate a real caving in. Right here with a possibility to short. We still don't have any stochastic on the S&P. In terms of Nasdaq, same thing. We crossed it during the day, came back within it with no stochastic. So far the resistance is holding. And Nasdaq 100, I'm going to do this double resistance kind of thing because this is really what's happening. And we have the same thing. We are closing back in. We are still in a downtrend. It's not yet the time to short this because we are just too close to that resistance and we are above, this interesting support. So it's no time to short yet. It's no time to buy yet either because the time to buy would be to have a break of this resistance with a good stochastic. It's the time to wait patiently and watch my video every single day so that you see exactly on the day when things are happening. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.